Hey guys, hi YouTube, welcome back to my channel. As you guys can see, I'm wearing a different hair. So this hair was sent to me by a company called LOSMOEER, right here. You guys can see it. I'm gonna leave all their information in the description box so you guys can check it out for yourself. So they sent me this hair. This is 8 packs. And this is pretty much the passion twist hair. So it's like a darker burgundy up top, and then it kind of fades out into like an ombre over just a brighter burgundy at the bottom. And then it's like a T1B, so it's kind of mixed it all in there. But so far I'm really liking it. This is different for me. I've never tried this color. I've thought about trying like a wine color and a burgundy, so this was my first time wearing burgundy, and so far I really like it. This hair is really cute. I've had passion twists in the past, and nothing too different from that. The hair is about 18 inches, but honestly, if you take like a blow dry, you can stretch it out even more. I'm 5'10". You guys can see it's hitting me right here. So yeah, you can take a blow dry, stretch it out. I'm gonna turn around for you guys so you guys can see it. But so far, I've really been liking it. This is different for me, and I think for fall, like, this is a really great color. The hair from 1 to 10, 1 being not heavy to 10 being heavy, it's like a 3. Yeah, you can feel it. The hair has a lot of volume. I have a big head, and I ended up using all the 8 packs. Don't laugh, guys. Yeah, I used all of it, and so far I really love it. Yeah, so the hair on Amazon, let me see what the price was here. So the hair for the 18-inch is about $35. You know, if you have Amazon Prime shipping, you're good. So about for 8 packs, 18 inches, about $35.27. And stuff, let's see, yeah. And the shipping took like a day, so it was pretty fast. But overall, I mean, yeah, so far I've really been liking the hair. The only thing I noticed after 1 day of wearing it is that the curls at the end do get frizzy looking, and they do tangle with each other, so be careful about using your bonnet and making sure that you don't put too much product on this, because you're gonna have some tangling going on at the bottom. But overall, so far, like, this hair is no different from any other hair that I've really had, and I'll show you guys kind of like installing it and stuff like that. I'll show you guys how it came in the package. And yeah, but so far I'm like, I've really been liking this color. It's so different for me as well, but it's perfect. So yeah. Okay guys, so here's a close-up of the hair. As you guys can see, it's like a bigger passion twist. Yeah, but overall, I mean, I really like it. It looks very natural, and over time it's gonna look better. Yeah, and that's pretty much it, and I'll see you guys in the next video. I'm gonna leave all the information on how to get this hair at the description box. Bye guys.